So this is the optimum for investment in, well, it's obvious. A couple of things are obvious. One, lambda is u prime, or u of x, u of x1 in the first period, right? So if you divide that down, you get u1x here, lambda. So this is a way, we'll see, this is a way that usually the SVL, the statistical value of life, is written. And then what you have up here, so this is a monetary units, and these are in monetary units now. So monetary versus monetary. And the big thing here is there's a cost. So it's, from that point of view, it's perfectly trivial. You're looking at the marginal cost of investing in health, and it's equal to some marginal benefit. What's interesting about it is really not so much what the marginal cost looks like, but what the marginal benefit looks like. Okay, and there are three components of it, two straightforward. One, it depends upon how much improvement you have in your survival rate if you spend more. Okay, that's obvious, that's going to be there. That's zero, you can forget about it, you're not going to do anything. You discount, because it's coming in the future, so you're discounting it. And the big thing is the utility level.